Welcome everyone. My name is Angie Fitness TV, and I've been teaching rebounding classes for 27 years. So I just really wanted to create a quick video on what are the differences between the spring loaded rebounders and the bungee rebounders. Which one do you want to buy and so forth. So this is very informal, and I'm just going to today I'm using the American Tough version leaps and rebounds. This is a bungee rebounder. Uh, First of all, you may not even know the difference between spring and bungee. Bungees are elastic cords right here. So you can see the elastic cord right here. And let me tell you, bungees are really kind and gentle on the joints, and you're going to get a deeper bounce with the bungee style rebounders. Now, today I'm using the Maximus Pro. First of all, I love the customer service on this one. And you can see this is a spring loaded rebounder, and it has a firm bounce because of the springs, and it's a very quick, firm bounce on this one. And you're going to say, okay, this one is cheaper than this one. What is the difference? I'm just going to kind of make it very simple and easy for you. So if you are the type of individual who wants very quick, very fast paced workouts, you're a runner, you do HIIT, you do Tabata, you do hip hop, you do fast dance workouts, you are going to want the spring loaded rebounder. It's a firm, quick bounce. Now, I will say a lot of spring loaded rebounders on Amazon are crap. And I don't care if you think I'm right or wrong, but it's true. There are 3 spring rebounders that I do recommend, and the Maximus Pro is high quality. And this is one I do recommend. I've owned so many, because I've been teaching 27 years, and a lot are very harsh and hard on the joints. And this one is a professional grade rebounder, and it's absolutely perfect if you want a spring loaded rebounder. Your spring loaded rebounders are oftentimes compact, they fold easily, and they are more affordable than a quality bungee rebounder. And then you can get spring-loaded rebounders that fold and do not fold. And most of them do not come with bigger bounce spaces. This is like a 39-inch bounce space, so you can see that. So if you like small bounce spaces, that's great. So the biggest thing, you're going to want spring-loaded. If you are like an athlete, you need that quick response. You want HIIT, you want Tabata, you want fast-paced cardio. This is the one for you. Now, the bungee is going to give you a deeper bounce. It's good. This workout, this style of rebounder, bungee rebounder, is great. Say maybe you have had surgeries, hip surgery, knee surgery, back surgery. You're older, you need a gentler workout. Then the bungee rebounder is going to be for you. And what I love about bungee rebounders that you cannot get in the spring loaded, they come in really big bounce spaces. This is a 48-inch bounce space, and I absolutely love that. But you can see it's not as compact. It's easy. The legs just come off this one, and I could set the legs somewhere and put this against the wall. But look, you can see one is more compact than the other one, so that could play a role into things. Now, I'm going to set them both on the ground. And I also recommend bungee rebounders that are quality. There are so many rebounders on Amazon that are bungee and that are spring loaded. And I'm just telling you, they're crap. They're just not good for your body. So if you want to know which rebounder to use or utilize, you need to go in my description box below right now. You need to join my private for Rebounding Health and Fitness group. And then you need to private message me, and I'm going to get you, look at me, I'm going to get you in the right rebounder for you. I own most rebounders on market. Again, I talk too much. This video is about why you want to spring load it and why you would choose a bungee. Now, I have osteoarthritis in my knee and in my back. Spring loaded in general is not the way to go for me. I need a more therapeutic style bounce. So I don't know if you can see. I'm going to start bouncing. My feet are hip width apart. I'm in ready stance. Knees, I have slight bend in my knees, slight bend in my hip. I have a nice core activation. I'm pressing down into the mat, and I'm not pressing down into the mat. And so hopefully you can see this bounce. There's a little give in the bounce, and it goes a little deeper. It's just kind of really soft and nice on my joints. And this is what my joints honestly prefer, is a bungee rebounder. Now, we call this ready stance, bounce stance. So I'm just going to bounce a little more so you can maybe pick up on some nuances and some differences between a bungee and a spring. Whether you choose spring or bungee, they're both great. You just got to ask yourself, what are your overall goals? What is your body telling you, and which one is better for your body at this point in time? One is not necessarily better than another one. So now I'm going to step on the Maximus Pro, and I'm going to just go ahead, same, feet hip width apart, slight bend in my knees, slight forward flexion, ready stance, and I'm pressing down and up. And I'm just going to tell you the difference. The recoil, when it comes back up, is a lot quicker, and it is more responsive than a bungee rebounder because of the springs. Remember, the springs give a quick response, and it's a firmer bounce. Now I'm also going to, I should show you. I'll take my feet off so you can see that. I can already tell you I'm in proper form, and my back is not liking this super firm bounce. I'm in proper form. I'm pressing down nice and correctly. It's just a really firm bounce for me. I'm 126 pounds. I just want to show you the difference. It's just really firm. That's the only way I can explain it. And some of you may like that. So let me bounce on my leaps and rebounds. Oh, much nicer. It's just a lot, it's just more cushion. And when you bounce, I don't feel the jarring on my joints like I do the spring-loaded rebounder. It's just the distribution within my body and my joints feels much nicer. It feels more forced on the spring-loaded rebounder. So, just wanted to answer that question. Which one should I buy? Should I buy a spring-loaded? Should I buy a bungee? What are the differences? And so this is what I'm going to say. You want spring-loaded if you are an athlete, if you like HIIT workouts, if you like Tabata workouts, if you like fast workouts, if your overall goal is to get in tremendous, tremendous shape, you're going to want to go with the spring rebounder. Now, you're going to go with the bungee rebounder if you're going to utilize it for overall health. Maybe you have osteoarthritis. Maybe you had surgery. Maybe you're coming back from cancer. Maybe there's something going on with your body and you cannot have a really firm bounce. You need a bungee rebounder. Again, let me stress and let me tell you, I may get a lot of comments. Most rebounders on Amazon are not worth the money. There are entry level, mid level, and high end rebounders. You're going to say, Angie, we can't afford these rebounders like you. There are some entry level and some mid grade and high end that are absolutely worth it. Not all of them, but some. 27 years experience, physical therapy background. I just retired my license. I am a massage therapist, yoga and Pilates instructor. I do know what I'm talking about. If you want, look at me, if you want individual guidance, go in that description box below, look, join the private Rebounding for Health and Fitness group, and then private message me and I will help you. And I'm going to get you in the best rebounder according to your weight, according to your goals, according to your body issues, and according to your budget. So just don't go out, buy any rebounder thinking it's good. I've heard so many people say, oh, Angie, I got this one. I wish I didn't. I wish I talked to you first. So I hope that was just a super quick explanation. I did not go into all the scientific details of spring and bungee. I just wanted to do layman terms and make it simple and easy. So my name is Angie, Angie Fitness TV. I hope I do talk to you. Okay, I hope this explains some too. Have a good day, afternoon, evening, wherever you're at. Bye.